Welcome, guys. Welcome to the Bitcoin forecast by Dr.Abahale. This will be as of 14th of April of 2025, and we are at 11 in the morning, CST. Okay. Welcome, and let's go to the matter. What is happening? Oh no! Ignore this. Thank you. Yeah, we have some things to configure yet. But I have news, guys. Remember that we made very bad decisions in the past and we were losing like $400. Well, now we're winning and we are actually winning in all of our trades. So, nice. Remember that we are trying to build a spider web. So we need to see which ones are the correct ones for us to close. And we need to remember always to open more. We actually need to add this account to one of my phones because I don't know why I don't have it. But I mean, I just um, I just closed the trade for $65, which would be 1,200 pesos or 1,200 pesos. Um, and I've been making this money while doing a lot of different stuff in my real life, right? So this is kind of passive income, kind of, because you need to be aware that there's the risk that you can lose money, but it's nice, right? Because it actually isn't a very big movement, but it's been open for 4 days, so that's very good, right? Because it has been going as we were expecting for it to go. So anyway, now let's delete this because it is useless right now over here. So remember, guys, that if you are not able to get the hold on any object, you can always go to the object list and just look for it. And as you find it, you will be able to delete it or to change the properties or to select it. So you don't have to worry about fighting with the chart because there's already a way to get around that. So about the forecast, because we have been talking nothing about it for 3 minutes. So remember, guys, that I told you last time, or not last time, but in the past weeks, that we were following this very hard channel trend line that we were following since when? Since oh my god, it has auto scroll. I'm sorry. Since I mean this was on 20th of January, and I think that's it, right? Yes. So, we are following this since 20th of January, and the next time it got this to this point, it was on the 30th of January, so 10 days later. After that, it tried to reach it on the 21st of February, and after that, on the 2nd of March, and after that, we are finally reaching it again on the 2nd of April, which yeah, I don't know if you are starting to watch some patterns here, and then it got dropped like crazy, but finally got up. But where do you think is bouncing again? So as for now, it is touching again on the 13th of April and again on the 14th of April and again on the same day. So, well, it doesn't count because you could say that these two are together in a bigger time frame, so it doesn't matter. What does matter is that we need to change the days that we have over here because we haven't moved them. and we are on Monday actually. So yeah, we have been ignoring the Bitcoin market for a bit, so we need to come back and try to focus on making real money, because that's the whole point of doing this, right? Making real money and making the Bitcoin the the pathway to our future economy as young people in a digital world. Monday, Tuesday, well, okay, well, so that's it. And so we actually need to move this because we have reached a new channel trend line limit. So this is the new limit, and we need to be careful if it goes through again. I don't think it will, because I mean, if you are watching the average, it's about to fall down like crazy. Maybe even reach price 70,000. Okay, so I really at this point I would advise you to sell all of the Bitcoin that you have on stock, and that you take that money and deposit it in your trading account and go full sell. That's what I would do. That's maybe what I will do. Maybe. Just maybe. Okay. Remember that I don't give any investment advice through the internet, and this video doesn't count as trading advice. It just is the way that I do trades. If you want to have mentorship in what should you invest your money in, that's a complete different topic, and you're welcome to get in contact with me in any of my social pages that they are under me. So yeah, what else? Do we have time still? 10 12, and we are at, yeah, we still have time. So as we were saying last time, we were expecting for this to bounce up, but it break through level 50, level 61.8, and then it bounced off on level 76.4 to go back and touch 61.8 again, and then again to 76.4. So what does that mean? Sideways movement, which means we do not trade right now. Remember, guys, that the pro traders are not the ones that are always trading, trying to get the right trade. No. The pro traders are the ones that know when they have to trade. Not to where, but when. Because it doesn't matter that you go up or down. Because if you know what you're doing, you will become profitable no matter what. So just saying. And what was I doing? Oh, yeah, adding a shape, because we are on a sideways movement. And what do we do when that happens? We don't do nothing, because it's a trap. And you already know that it's a trap for the beginners, because they say, oh no, it's bouncing in the same levels. It's obvious it will bounce again to the same level again. No, don't fall to that trap. Because right now, very sadly, I will open 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we are going hard on this, baby. Nice. 6 new trades to sell Bitcoin. Let's see where that goes. And we actually closed the biggest ones that we have. Wow. This was almost 3 weeks. Nice. And maybe 2 of this, and that's it. Just because we want to see the behavior in the future. Look at that wave. I am an artist in this market. Hmm? But anyway, guys, that will be it for today, because we have reached our time limit. And as always, I really hope that this is helpful for you. because I do it for you to understand how this works and how this will become the future of our economy. And whoever gets this will be ahead of everyone else. So yeah, this is very important for all of us to understand how does it work. So anyway, thank you for being here, and we'll be seeing each other on the next one, guys. Remember that we do this freely with no cost, but with the intention for you to join to the club, join the membership, and I'll be happy to help you understand this and a lot more stuff. Okay, so thanks for everything, and we'll be see each other on the next one. Bye bye bye.